It's time to review our numbers. 1 to 5 is facing backwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then I'm going to move my hand forward and my thumb's going to go to my pinky. It's the smallest number. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And it's going to move up my hand. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Then my hand's going to go backwards again. For 11, I'm going to flick it. 11. 12, flick. 12. Can't flick 13, so I'm going to wiggle it. 13. Then put the thumb in. 14. Then take the thumb out again. 15. Then I'm going to take my thumb to my pinky for 6, and I'm going to shake it 2 times slowly. 16. 17. 18. 19. 20 is your bird. 21 is your gun salute. 22 is on the floor. All of your doubles are on the floor. 22. 23, I'm going to hold up my 3 and wiggle just my middle finger. 24 is L4. 25, I'm going to hold up my 5 and wiggle just my middle finger. 25. 26 is L6. L7, 27. L8, 28. L9, 29. 30, 30. The 30 through the 50s are normal. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. Now it's going to get a little confusing. The smaller number goes out. So you're going to go 61 because 1 is smaller than 6. Just a slight tilt. 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66. Now the 7's bigger, so I'm going to go from out to in. 67, 68, 69, 70. And that just makes it clearer for you to see. Now let's go from in to out again when we start with the 70s. 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77. Now 8 is bigger, so I'm going to go from out to in. 78, 79, and then 80. Now we're going to start again. 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86. You're doing it. 87, 88, 89, 90. Now they all go out. 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, and then 100 is 1C or 1X. Whew, my hands are tired. Keep practicing.